Hello everyone, I am Aditi, Brakes Engineer at Team Solarium. In the last episode, Suspension, the subsystem of vehicle dynamics, was discussed. Today's episode will be all about brakes, which is also a subsystem of vehicle dynamics. So, let's get started. Imagine you're at a drag race and there's just a few seconds left before the finishing line. With adrenaline pumping, you press the throttle hard and finally emerge victorious. You were prompted to fire at full speed and still be sure of your safety, right? That's where the brakes come into play. The basic function of the braking system is to slow down or to stop a vehicle. Good brakes give driver the assurance that he can speed up as much as conditions permit because a good braking system will have his back in slowing and stopping effectively whenever required. It runs on the principle of converting the kinetic energy of the wheels into thermal energy. When friction is generated between the rotating disc and the brake pads, the vehicle halts. Now, let's see how the braking process actually occurs in our commercial cars. When the brake pedal is pressed, the piston of the master cylinder pushes the brake fluid forward, which causes the piston of the brake caliper to in turn move forward. The brake pads attached to the piston then rub against the rotor, and due to this friction, the wheel slows down or eventually stops. Have you ever wondered about the types of braking systems? Well, hydraulic, electromagnetic, regenerative, which is electrical and mechanical, etc. are the different braking systems. We at Team Solarium use the hydraulic braking system as it is the most feasible as per our requirement. As the term suggests, the hydraulic braking system uses a brake fluid to transfer the force to the caliper. It functions on Pascal's law, where there is same pressure at all points, and force and area can be accordingly varied. This comes in handy when we have to reduce effort on the pedal required by the driver. In the hydraulic braking system as well, there are mainly two types of brakes used, drum and disc brakes. In the drum brakes, the shoes rub against the drum when the pedal is pressed. The disc brake consists of a thin metal disc and a caliper which has a piston on which the brake pads clamp the rotating disc. Invictus 4.0 uses disc brakes at the rear as well as at the front, as this allows us constant cooling of the disc and very less chances of brake fade. To reduce a vehicle's weight, for the season, we've incorporated in-house manufactured calipers. This reduces the vehicle's unsprung mass and increases the power to weight ratio. So, this is it about brakes for now. Please feel free to ask doubts, if any, in the comment section. Till then, stay tuned. This is me, Aditi, signing off. Thank you and good day.